Harnessing energy, cycling and diabetes. Cycling is not only a fantastic exercise for managing diabetes, but it can also be a sustainable way to generate electricity. Cycling helps maintain blood sugar levels, improves cardiovascular health, and boosts overall fitness. Using pedal power, cyclists can convert their energy into electricity through specially designed bikes.
Wait, there was a bad advertisement to explain what I'm talking about. Now you can see what I'm talking about. There are two problems in Pakistan. One is the shortage of electricity for the small villages, and another one, a lot of people who has diabetes. Both of them can actually solve each other.